हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू आर ऑल वेल। सो आप लोग क्लास 12 एग्जामिनेशन की प्रिपरेशन ले रहे होंगे और साथ में आपको आगे करियर की प्लानिंग भी चल रहा है। तो apnacollege.net ये वेबसाइट में यू कैन एक्सप्लोर वेरियस करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एंड वंस यू सिलेक्ट the career of your choice, then what are the top colleges, what are the top entrance examination, what is the cutoff score of each college. Every details are being covered in this website apnacollege.net, and also you can subscribe to this YouTube channel Apna College Net to get real-time updates about all the entrance examination, online counseling, irrespective of science, commerce and humanities stream. So BBA, Bachelor in Business Administration, this is a most common sought after course irrespective of stream of commerce, humanities or science. So students from these three streams, आप साइंस स्टूडेंट है या ह्यूमैनिटीज स्टूडेंट हैं या कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट हैं, आफ्टर क्लास 12 यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर दिस 3 years BBA रेगुलर प्रोग्राम. आज हम बात करेंगे, वी वर रिसीविंग सेवरल रिक्वेस्ट एज वेल, सो वी विल टॉक अबाउट क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी बैंगलोर BBA एडमिशन प्रोसेस. हम लोग जानेंगे what is the cutoff and how the selection process goes on. In this video we will completely cover, and also I want to tell you that we will come up with more videos on the top BBA colleges and top BBA entrance examination across India. So watch the video till the end, and also like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel, and also do share this YouTube link with your friends so that they also get to know about top BBA colleges, top BBA entrance test and also college reviews. So before going on to Christ University BBA entrance test details, let us have a look into Christ deemed to be University Bangalore. Christ deemed to be University Bangalore was established in the year 1969 as Christ College. The mission was to undertake a path-breaking initiative in higher education in India. And in 2004, University Grants Commission, Government of India conferred autonomy to Christ College. If you talk about Christ University Bangalore ranking, in 2006, it was identified as an institution with potential for excellence. And in 2008, Ministry of Human Resource Development of Government of India declared Christ College as the institution deemed to be university in the name and style of Christ University. So it is one of the first institution in India to be accredited in 1998 by the NAC, and subsequently in 2004 and 2016, Christ deemed to be university has the top grade A ranking in the 4-point scale. Now, Christ University Bangalore operates from 5 different campuses. Christ Bangalore, the central campus, or you can call it main campus, it is located at Hosu Road in Bangalore. The Baneghatta Road campus in Bangalore is located at Baneghatta Main Road. Then the Kengiri campus of Christ University Bangalore is located at Mysore Road, and it is actually 25 kilometers away from the Christ University Central Campus or the main campus. At Delhi NCR region and Ghaziabad, Christ deemed to be University off campus is located, and in Pune Lavasa, Christ deemed to be University off campus is located. Now in 5 different campuses there are different faculty members, and also the courses are all different. So my advice to you will always be check into the courses offered in these 5 different campuses or if you are getting BBA, you must make sure that which campus you are getting or whether you are getting in preferred choice of campus or not. Now let us look into the Christ University BBA admission procedure. The Christ School of Business Management at Christ University offers various combination of BBA programs at the undergraduate level. We will discuss about them. The objective is to contribute the dissemination of academic and applied knowledge required in the business sector. So BBA Decision Science, which is industry integrated program, Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA is there, Bachelor of Business Administration, it is offered in Christ Bangalore Kengiri campus. Then BBA Honors, it is available in Christ Bangalore Banerghatta Road campus. Then BBA is also available at Christ Delhi NCR off campus, that is in Ghaziabad. And then BBA Honors is also available in Christ NCR Delhi off campus, which is in Ghaziabad. Then Bachelor of Business Administration with FinTech, this option is also available at Christ Delhi NCR off campus. Then BBA Business Analytics is available at Christ Pune Lavasa off campus. Then Bachelor of Hotel Management, it is of course available in Christ Bangalore Central campus or main campus. And then BBA Tourism and Travel Management is available in Christ Bangalore Banerghatta Road campus. Now all these different combinations of BBA program at undergraduate level which I spoke to you are available in the mentioned campuses only. Now let us look into the eligibility. In order to apply in these above mentioned BBA courses, you need to secure pass marks in class 12, that is 10+2 examination from recognized board, and also you should appear in Christ University entrance test. Bachelor of Business Administration, Finance and International Business, it is available in Christ Bangalore Banerghatta Road campus. Now here the eligibility criteria is a bit different. You must score and or secure minimum 55% marks in class 12 examination in 10+2 from recognized board to take admission in BBA Finance and International Business at Christ Bangalore Banerghatta Road campus, and you must also clear CUET 2022 examination as well. Now we will discuss about Christ University entrance test for BBA admission program. Now Christ University on a specific time frame, they will conduct online entrance test for applicants for admission to BBA program across various campuses. Now this entrance test is completely online and it will be of 2 hours duration. And each question in this online test will carry 1 marks for the right answer and a negative marking of 0.25 for the wrong answer. To make it more clear to you, it is +1 for the right answer, and for every 4 wrong answers you get -1. And no marks are awarded or deducted for unattempted question. Now let us look into Christ University BBA entrance test syllabus. Now this test, Christ University BBA entrance test, the question paper will be divided into 6 different sections. You can see like fundamental accounting, there will be 10 marks allotted. In English section, there will be 25 marks allotted. In mathematics, there will be 20 marks allotted. In reasoning section, there will be 25 marks allotted. In data analysis and interpretation, there will be 20 marks allotted. And there will be general knowledge section where 20 marks will be allotted. So total marks will be 120. For the right answer, you score +1, and for one wrong answer, you lose -0.25. Now, as I told you that Christ University BBA entrance test is completely online. So, in order to appear for this BBA entrance test, you need a desktop computer or a laptop with good stable internet connection and power backup. A working mic and webcam enabled computer or laptop is all what you require. This Christ University BBA entrance test is proctored. Artificial intelligence proctoring is enabled. The test will be automatically locked if there is a breach of threshold found in the code of conduct by the applicant. The software found is capable of tracking eye movement and navigating between test window and any other application running in the computer. So we advise you to close down all other programs running on your laptop or computer while taking this Christ University entrance test for BBA. And before 30 minutes at least of your commencement of online test, you must log in to the specified website and join in order to avoid any of the technical glitches. Christ University Exam Taking Authority can at any point of time verify your entrance test admit card and as well as state or central government issued photo ID card for verification during the test. And during this online test, you should answer or attempt the first question within the 20 minutes of the scheduled start time or after the commencement of the online examination. And use of headphones or any other of listening equipment during Christ University BBA entrance test is completely forbidden. So friends, that was all about Christ University BBA entrance test. So friends, that was a Christ University BBA entrance 2022, all the details. So the notification will be out very soon. Once the notification is out, I'll come back with all the details. In the meantime, I want to make a point. अगर आपको क्राइस्ट में अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस ऑफ प्रेफरेंस मल्टीपल कोर्सेज है या मल्टीपल कैंपसेस के लिए अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं, सो दैट इज़ ऑल अलाउड. वेन एवर यू विल अप्लाई, यू कैन choose multiple campus, you can choose multiple course. लेकिन CUET 2022 आपको एक ही बारी appear करना पड़ेगा. And as we all know that Christ University BBA program, the seats are limited and it is in high demand among BBA aspirants. I want to make it very clear that you should also keep your other options open. So you can look forward to this 5 years integrated program in management IPM program by IIM Indore, by IIM Rohtak, or a BBA program in Symbiosis. So you can watch all the videos regarding all these IPM programs, Symbiosis BBA program in this Apna College Net YouTube channel. Do like and subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get update whenever a new video is being uploaded. And don't forget to share the link with your friends. Thank you. All the best.